Hey guys, today is a Duel unboxing. So let's get into it. By the way, I'm not asking for things from people. People are just sending me stuff. So please don't think I'm asking for stuff from people because I've had so many unboxings recently. People are just being generous and sending me stuff. So this first one, this person asked not to mention their name, so I'm not going to. But I am going to do an unboxing and see what they sent me. I don't know what they sent me. It looks like the post office had some fun with it, though. It looks like they used it for kickball practice, which might be why it was delayed a little bit. But we'll see. My knifey. Let's see what's in here. See, I gotta figure out how to open this here. Box is definitely not in good shape, that's for sure. I'm just gonna let's see. I'm just going to cut the box open. I'm surprised stuff hasn't fallen out as bad as the box is right now. Alright. Almost cut myself. Alright. Looks like some cool stuff in here. Alright, so first scent, let's see here. Looks like it's well used, but ooh. Memento Mori. Scent notes, dark chocolate, rum, caramel, coffee, sugarcane, almond, sandalwood, and heliotrope. Apparently it's got a decent intensity. It smells really good and again familiar. That's pretty cool. I haven't seen that one anywhere. What's this? PAA Ode Spice. It's kind of funny. That's pretty cool. It smells really good too. Ooh, what's this one? Sweet. A tallow-based product. I've been wanting to try some tallow. There's a review of another product coming up soon too. You just got to get in its rotation. But this one is Luna by Elysian. Am I saying that right? Why aren't you focused? Focus. There it goes. It's a little slow today. Of course, the light's probably messing it up. Ooh. That's got a different scent.
What else does she have in here?
Shannon Soap LTD. Handmade in Ohio. What is this one? Lit. All right. What's this one? Butters of tallow. Another tallow soap. Cool. That one's kind of strong. It's lit all right. Ooh, a tin one. Shaving soap, razor, master, Inez, peppermint vanilla. Handmade in Finland, huh? That's got a unique smell to it. Peppermint and vanilla. Yeah, I can smell that. I can smell it. What's this one? Aromique by the Razor Company. Smells kind of good. It almost smells like a nice shampoo or something. What's this? Oh, there's the. That smells good. I'm assuming this is either the EDP or the aftershave. Fuzzy face, huh? Ooh, that smells. Ooh. Some got on me. I like that smell. Yeah. So the person that sent me this, thank you. I will send this. Yeah. Thank you a lot. So let's put that. I will tag you in this link. Or I should say, I'll send you the link. But here's the next one. Get these out of the way here. Make sure to pick up a packing peanut so the cat don't eat it. Those are toxic to animals here. I guess I'm getting that later. Alright. So this next one is, I got this one from a $20 gift card I won from the Shave Migos. Am I saying that right? And it was from the Razor Company. So instead of getting one thing from there, I got two things with that gift card, and they even covered the shipping. And I'm excited because I kind of needed these or wanted these. I think one was, in my opinion, more of a need than a want, but I still think they're cool. Alright. Show you what it is. Kind of expected this box to be a little bit bigger Here's a thank you card. Here it is. Misty Sprayer. Open it up. Little short thing. Thought it was taller than that, but there it is. Psst. Now I can be hip like y'all. Cool. And then the last thing from them is Wineberry Pre-Shave. Let's see what that actually smells like, because I was curious. Oh, it's wrapped. Ooh, it's like a puck. Ooh, I can smell it through the wrapper. Oh, it smells good. It almost smells like a Jolly Rancher. That smells really good. Now I can't wait to use this stuff. All this stuff. So that was today's unboxing video. Hope y'all liked it. I'm going to try and get this video up the night you see it. Or, yeah, the night you see it. The past couple of days we've been without internet, and I've been without phone, so it's been kind of hard to do things. I've been having to go off my wife's hotspot on her phone. But, yeah, I think for now, I think that's it. And looking forward to using that as a shave, which, you know, tonight might be a shave video as well. So maybe look out for that. That might go up either tonight or tomorrow. So yeah. See you guys later. See you next video and see you next shave. Bye.